with Python. And the course provided in building visuals, learning models, and even I had the chance to do a short-term internship where I put my skills to work at real-world projects. The 45 days program was intense but incredibly rewarding with hands-on training from the industry experts and personalized career guidance. This course was transformed my career, giving the confidence and skills to navigate a fast-growing field of AI and ML. If you're passionate about AI, just this is the opportunity you don't want to miss it. Spot of filling up, fast, secure, you take the next step in your tech journey today.